Good morning, dear student. In our English, our 11th lesson name is The Wonderful World Around Us here. So, the King of Rain. Here, it is a talk about the King of Rain here. So, we can say that there are number of factors that lead to rain. Why the rain occur here? So, there are number of words. There are number of factors that lead to rain. However, black cloud are commonly considered as a sign of rain here. If we see in the sky during monsoon season and we found here the cloud are black, so definitely it might be rain here. It might be the rain will occur here. By seeing the cloud we can say that here. So cloud in the sky are of different colors. So there are the different colors are showing here. There are the different colors of the sky we can see here, like a black cloud, blue cloud, white cloud and a grey cloud here and grey crowd here. So we can say that they add beauty to our environment, don't they? Yes, really, the cloud added in a beauty of the sky here. So, have we ever wondered how cloud can be identified? So, what is the identification fact here? How can we identify it is a black cloud, it is a blue cloud, white cloud and grey cloud here? So, we can say that let us read the following line to know here a few types of the cloud here. So, first of all, that is cirrus cloud here. That is a cirrus cloud, and cirrus cloud look like a curl of hair. Cirrus cloud, that is looking a curly hair we have, like a curly hair we have. So if we find the curly cloud, so that is we can say these are cirrus cloud. These are cirrus cloud here. While stratus cloud look like a straight line in the sky. If the cloud are in a straight line, the clouds are in a straight line, so we can say that these cloud are stratus cloud, stratus. And the nimbus cloud are cloud of rain. Which cloud are cloud of rain? So nimbus are the cloud of rain here. So let us look at the picture of the nimbus cloud here. So these are so here. By if you find here in the sky, so this picture is about a nimbus cloud, and the nimbus cloud definitely bring the rain here. If we find the black cloud, but if the wind come and the black cloud might be scattered, so maybe the black cloud will not bring the rain, but the nimbus cloud definitely bring here rain here. Then after we can say that since nimbus cloud are dense with water here, it means the cloud is filled with water here. We find water in a nimbus cloud. So nimbus cloud must bring rain here. So which cloud bring rain here? So we can say that nimbus cloud bring rain. They appear darker than other cloud. It look like a darker than other cloud. It look like a darker than other cloud. And nimbus cloud are formed at a low height. If we see the height of the nimbus cloud, so it is really nearer to us. It is nearer to us. We can easily see the nimbus cloud in the sky. So nimbus cloud are heavy because the water is there. Water is filled in a nimbus cloud. So altitude so here that is a low of height and are typically spread uniformly across the sky here. It make the pattern here uniformly. They are arranged in a uniformly across the sky, and the nimbus cloud bring rain for us. The nimbus cloud bring rain to us. So we can say that there are many kinds of the cloud are there, but among them nimbus cloud are considered. These cloud bring here rain here. Then after the poem is given here about rain here. So let us recite and what the poem tell us here. So how beautiful is the rain? Really, each and every from the smaller kids to the bigger elder person also would like to see the rain here, because rain bring the water here. We can use water here, and it is a main source of us for getting the water here. So rain, how beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat. The scorching sun. We see here in a May and June month, it is scorching sun we find here. It is a heat and dust in our environment. So we need here rain here to make our climate, to make our atmosphere cool here. So we are waited here. The farmers also waited for the rain here in the broad and fairy street in the narrow land here. So each and every, when the rain started here, so each and every street, each and every place is covered with the waters here. Each and every place is covered with the water here. So here we can say that how beautiful is the rain, how it clatter along the roof, and when it comes down, from the sky, so it's clattered here, it clattered along the roof. So it produces a voice in our terrace here, it making the sound, that is a clattered sound, friction occurred. So it is a clatter along the roof, and like the trump of the hoops, how it gusts and struggle out. So it tried to come out by producing the sound here, pitter patter, such a word, the gust of wind, the clash of the rain when it occurs here. So it produced the different sound here, and we enjoy here the rain here in the sky from the throat of the overflowing spout across the window pane here. When it comes down, we are in our house. So the flow of water is touching to the window. The flow of water is touching to the window pane, and it touch the sprinkles of the water is come out in a nearby the river, in a nearby the window. So we can see here, and it pour and pour the water, and swift and wide, all the places is covered with the water. Each and every place is covered with the water, and it bring the heavy rain. So it pours and pours. It work here like to pouring here. It comes down with the heavy rain, with the heavy sound here. So and swift here and wide with a muddy tide. So we can say here. So all the places we find the heat and dust here. So we wash down here our terrace, our house, our car, our bike, and each and every place. And the road is also covered with the dust here. So all this dust are mixed with the water of the rain. And this create here the muddy water. It create a muddy water, and like a river down the gutter roar. And all the water, when the river comes down, when the rivers comes down from the sky, so it produce some sound here. When the rivers comes down, it produce the flowing water of the river. Like here, the water of the rain is enter and come with a gutter here. We have the gutter line here. So all the water settle here. The water make their its own way here. The water of the rain settle itself here. Only the low-lying areas covered with the water, but the gutter is started to flowing. The water of the rain is flowing from the gutter. So gutter is started to produce the roaring sound of the gutter, and the rain, the welcome rain. So we all are welcoming here to the rain here. So we can say that we are waiting for the rain and the water of the rain here. So we can say that there are the many kinds of the cloud: cirrus cloud, then black cloud here, then nimbus cloud here. But nimbus cloud is considered here, it is a cloud of rain here, and it is found in a low altitude here, and it is covered with the water here. So nimbus cloud definitely bring rain here, and we people, especially farmers, are hardly wait here, waited here for the rain here after heat and dust, and we are waiting for the monsoon that make our environment cool and pleasant and beautiful here. Okay, thank